Hi, my name is Coleman Epps. I'm a robotics application engineer for Cyberclean systems, and today I'm going to talk to you about the UV disinfection robot by Smartguard. It's a completely autonomous disinfecting robot. We're going to head over to the docking station and talk a little bit more about it in depth. Come on. So here is the charging base for the Smartguard UV disinfection robot. This is where it'll come back in charge after each of its workflows. I'm going to go ahead and undock the machine and show you a little bit more about it. So as you can see, the bottom is a Fetch Robotics base with a Smartguard UV top. Right here is the UV disinfection bulb, which actually is what disinfects the surfaces. Here is a motion sensor, which will stop the machine from flashing in case anybody walks by. Here's a 3D camera, another 3D camera, as well as a LiDAR right in here. And all of those sensors are used for obstacle avoidance and navigation. So let's go ahead and see the machine in action. So before we can actually run the machine autonomously, we have to do a couple things. The first thing we're going to do is bring the machine in and create a map using the LiDAR on the machine. If you come on my tablet, this is actually what the map will look like. So in here, you can see a couple different things. First, you can see the base with the machine. You can see disinfection points, and these are spread out on every area that we want to disinfect. Over here in the yellow is what's called a speed zone, which makes sure the machine doesn't go as fast in any kind of populated areas or anything like that. This red zone here is called a keep out zone. Make sure that the machine does not go there. Now the way we can actually use this map once we finished it up is to come over to the Smartguard UV portal. Now these are what's known as workflows. Workflows are how we decide which disinfection points that the machine goes and disinfects on each given night, map, or routine. Now, these workflows can be launched either manually on a set time or schedule. They can be run from any point in the world over the internet, as well as the machine over on FetchCore can be monitored from anywhere in the world. Oh, right on time. So the machine has completed its workflow. It's going to go ahead and charge at its docking station to make sure it's ready for any task that it needs to do. So this office space that we're in right now has 67 disinfection points that this machine needs to go to on its route. It takes about an hour 15 minutes to an hour and a half for this machine to finish that entire workflow. Well, that's all I have for the Smartguard UV machine. I appreciate y'all coming by and checking out with me.